So in today's video, I will be doing another hair topic. I bought extensions from AliExpress, wavy ones. This is what they look like. They're 24 inches, and I think I'm gonna have to cut like a little bit off. This is the deep wave. I want to show you guys my new dress too that I bought today for €8. So what I will be doing with these extensions is I will tone it like I did in my previous video. I toned my own hair. I washed it once now after toning it. Yeah, it's like it's a nice shade. So yeah, this is a lot more yellow because it looks like a trim. That's the length of it. And like one layer of the hair seems kind of thin actually. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna double up the weft and then yeah, kind of like sew it together. Oh yeah, these are the clips I have. So for the first step, I'm gonna wash this hair. I was thinking like of just wetting it, but yeah, to put the toner on. But I think maybe there's like a little bit of like a coating on the hair to make it shiny and stuff. So I think maybe the toner will absorb better if I just wash the hair. And I put like a little clear elastic on the hair to keep it together so it doesn't get tangled up. Alright, so that's the toner, and then I have this is 6% developer peroxide or 20 volume. So the ratio is 2:1 in favor of the developer. So 2 parts developer, 1 part toner. Okay, now I have my hair dyeing outfit on and the hair is dry enough. So I don't have gloves. I wish I had gloves, but I don't have gloves. So I'm just gonna put this on. I did my own hair. I left it on, I think it was 15 minutes, but I think on this hair, and also given that it's like kind of darker than my hair, I'm gonna leave it on for like a good 30 minutes. I think the rest, I'm just gonna do with my hands because it's a lot easier to spread it with my hands. I'm just gonna take a bunch, kind of like shampoo the hair with the toner. It actually does give like a little bit of a lather. Okay, so this is the beautiful hair after toning it. All right, now I think when it dries, they'll look much healthier. So I only cut like this much. So I'm back now, and I'm ready to cut the weave into individual extensions. Okay, and I also have to measure and calculate if this will be enough to get all the pieces I want. Like every strip I will make like this size, kind of like this size, so I can put them in the back or wherever. So I cut the first one. There's gonna be a bit of shedding, but that's all right. Oh, I should have been more careful cutting this because I cut it like this. So I'll just cut this piece off. Oops. Yeah, I'll be more careful with the next one. I have this clever idea. So it's best to cut the hair as little as possible. So every piece of extension I will make like this. Like this part you fold and this you sew. So this one I kind of want to go like I want to put in the back. Oh, this is like very thin actually. It's quite thin, yeah. It's like thick to like about here, and this is very thin. Maybe I should like even quadruple up the hair. Let's see. Then this band will be very thick. This would be like a nice thick weft. Quadruple it up, then like triple it up. So triple would be like this much. I think that would be good actually. That's the last one. I can do like triple layer. It toned pretty well. I think it's gonna match well. I'm not gonna show the whole process of how I sew these wefts. I'll show you like 3-layered one. That's the most difficult one. So I like layered it up. There's like 3. There's one that's just like loose like that, and this one is like turned like that. So I'll show. Okay, so I'll go through like the this part. I'll go through all of them just to secure them in place. Yeah, hopefully it won't be a problem that it's too thick. Needle through. And then I'll secure the clip in the middle too, just through that first weft. It will make sure that the clip doesn't move too much. And then the last little hole there to move there too much. Yeah, like trying to sew 3 wefts together is like a little bit annoying. It's a bit of work. Otherwise, I'm pretty like happy with this hair, but my complaint is that the wefts are pretty thin. Alright, so I'm done with sewing all the clips on. I'm happy with the color. It's just a little frizzy now. I combed through it just to like get some of the shedding out, get some knots and stuff out. Yeah, the problem with this hair is like it's thick to like this level, and here it's like very fine. And that's the case with like all of them. So I wonder what it'll look like on. But yeah, it really thins out, which might not be a problem, but I would prefer if it was full, like all the way down, or at least to like here or something, because it said when I bought the hair that like the last 20% is thin, but yeah, this is more than 20%. It's like 50%, like pretty thin. But yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna re-wet the hair like a little bit, make it a little damp to bring out the waves, and then I'll just let it dry. Alright, now I wet it a little bit. I put a tiny bit of hair gel, like this very light gel, kind of towards the ends too, to keep them more defined. What I have done now is I combed my hair, brushed my hair with detangling spray, so it's like just slightly damp. And these are the wavy bits in the back that I'm trying to match. What I'm gonna do now is I'll put them on and I will style them so that they will blend in. So I'll get the front out of the way. Oh, these clips are not sticking too well. They're kind of bad quality clips, or I think the weave is too thick. I think these clips are not good because the teeth need to be longer. It doesn't clip too much hair. these clips are the worst. Like, check this out. Like, they're just peeking out. So I'm gonna have to redo the clips. I'm gonna buy new clips, better clips. Now I know what to look for. The clips need to have like really long teeth, so they can like clamp onto the hair. These are like really small clips, and I feel like they pull on my hair and like hurt my head a little bit. Anyway, this is what the back looks like. Yeah, I want to wear this out tomorrow, like these clips, these extensions. But yeah, I'm gonna have to like really cover these tracks. To blend these in, I will do like a French braid or like a fat cornrow. Hello, good morning. So my braids have dried and I am ready to like, what do you call it, like open them up to undo them. That's the word. Yeah. Oh, but yeah, it looks like a nice blend right now. But it's cute. I like it. Maybe I'll like brush out the ends a little bit. Ooh, no, that's not a good idea. I was thinking to like fluff them up a little bit, but then it's just gonna be frizzy. Yeah, so maybe I'll style it a little, like, no, not like that. But yeah, it's looking cute. I like it. I like it. Yeah, I'll show you the back. I still need to like blend in the extensions because you can see the extensions are like sticking out. But yeah, so that's the finished result. Yeah, I like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.